When things don't quite go to plan with our programs, we need to find out what has gone wrong and fix it. This is called debugging. It is often the case though that we have a lot of debugging to do, as there can be a lot of errors. In these situations, it's important we focus on one problem at a time, before moving on to another. Take a look at this game. Here the movement of the cat should be controlled by the arrow keys on the keyboard, and the position of the mouse should be controlled by the computer mouse. There's a lot going wrong here. Firstly, the cat isn't doing what he's being told to, and secondly, the mouse seems to be going in strange directions. Solve one problem at a time by running just that block of code and seeing what is going wrong. To do this, rather than clicking on the green flag to run the whole program, you can click on the trigger block here. Use this technique to fix the bugs for the movement of the cat and then the movement of the mouse. Good luck!